Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of Saturday, June the 24th, 2023. We have here six extra puzzles. Four of them I will do today. We have here a 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it's actually a 1 star. And another 3 stars Sudoku. Actually, it's a 1 star, a 2 stars Sudoku. We have a killer Sudoku, two binaries, 10 by 10, and a one tectonic. Four of them I will solve, and the first one I will do is the Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, actually, it's a 2 stars Sudoku. And it has 26 printed digits. Yeah, 26 printed digits. And this one will be number 6645. Yeah, 6645. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Told you 26 printed digits should be a 2 stars puzzle. All right. For 2 stars, for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, so maybe 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 4 in this last row? 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1 and a 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. I'm scanning. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. 1 there. 9. 9 here. Yeah. 7 here. 7. You need a 7 there. Yeah. 6. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Can I do this the same here? That's the question. No. How about here then? 7. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 missing numbers. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 5. We have a 5 there. 5 here. Okay. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 4, 7. The 1. I need a 1 here. Alright. 3 here. 6, 6, 6, 6. No, 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left with 6 should be there. 6, 6, 7. We have a 4 here. Okay. We need a 9 here. Yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in that row, no 9 there. The only place left for 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. A 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the third row, the 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. And now. 8. No, 3. Well, need a 3 here. And I need a 1 here. Yeah, we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in that box. The 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Here also 2 and 8. Yeah, 2 and 8. I need a 3, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 2 and the 8 are left. Here also 2 and the 8. So here the 4 and the 7 are left in the middle column. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for the number 4. 1 number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers here in this row. The 2 and the 8, I believe. Yeah, the 2 and the 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. Well, not true. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1. The 2 is missing 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But we have a 7 here. Alright, 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Alright. 2 and 8. 4. 1, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in the first column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. Need a 7 in one of those two. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in the second column should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2, 3, and need a 5 here. Yeah, I need a 5. 5, 5. Okay, 3, 3. I need a 7 here. 1, 1. And a 1 there. 2, 3, 5. Okay. 7. 7 should be here. I need an 8. 8 go there. 9. Come on. Yeah, 2 and 3. Well, here can we get 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. 2, 8, and I need a 5 here. Here 5, there 5. Here can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there, because we have a 5 in the second column. 5, 5, 5, okay. So here the 2 and the 3. Okay. Need a 7 here, because we have a 7 in the first column. Need a 2 here, need a 3 here. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in second row, from third row, only 2 places left for 3, could be here, could be there. 3. Need a 6 here. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 in these two boxes, so the 6 could be here, could be there. And I need a 2 here. We have a 2 in this row. Yeah, we have a pair, the 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. Alright. 3, 7. We have a 7. 1 and a 7 here, so we have a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Need a 3 here. Yeah. Okay, 2 and a 6. 2 and a 3. Okay. Need a 4. Yeah, 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. So the 2, 6, and the 5. No 3. We have a 3 now. Yeah. In this column. So no 3 in these 2 boxes or 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there in this row. So the 5 and the 2 are left. 5 and a 2. Yeah. That means this cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be 6 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 and 8. Okay. 8. Need an 8 there. 8 in this row. 8 in middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 and the 8. We have an 8 now. In this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. No, cannot fill this yet. What a 2. No 2 here. 2, 2. Come on, come on, come on. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. He's missing, and the 6 is missing, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 5 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for 2 should be there. Final number in this big square for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. Talk too much. Well, definitely through 15 to 20 minutes, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.